thanks for tuning in to another taste and experience with Key Encounters. The item that we have here is a very rare item here in Las Vegas, but we'll kind of break that all down once I take it out of the box. So this item is from Jack Daniels, and I got this particular bottle when Golden Knights in their first year. And this is a very special bottle. Normally, I don't really mess with Jack Daniels like that, and that's just personal. But I had to get this bottle, so I was able to get it. Now, the crazy part and the little short story about this was it was hard to track down the moment I found out about it within 24 hours of it ever being released to the public. Very hard to find. And lucky for me, I was able to find it. So what we have here, let me just grab the box. We have here the Jack Daniels Single Barrel Select. This is a personal collection from Jeff, the master distiller. Let's see here. Anything on the back of this? Nope, just some interesting stuff. This is going to be 47% alcohol by volume. So there's really nothing else to it. So we're going to go ahead and crack this open. I'm just going to be careful, because once I go ahead and open this one time, I am literally going to put it on the shelf and never touch it again. So now we're going to take it out of the box. It is unsealed. Now, this is their Vegas Born bottle for the Las Vegas Golden Knights. Okay. Let me just close this box and set that off to the side. Okay. And the bottle itself is pretty nice. It's a nice bottle. Don't get me wrong. It's clean, very elegant, unopened, but it came with this nice little placard. The metal placard that says Vegas Born on it. Now, they also put on the bottle the Golden Knights star and swords and their logo on the bottle. So these were limited. I believe, now I could be wrong. I was told they only made 1,000 bottles or something like that, but it's a limited run. Okay, a limited run Golden Knights edition. In their first year, and they are the official sponsor in Las Vegas, you know, all that good jazz, but it has not been opened. So we're going to open this. We are going to open this right now for the first time. I've been sitting on this for years. Big Golden Knights fan. I'm from Vegas, so you know. All right. Let's see here. It has a bottle number on here. Oh, it has the bottling date, 11/21/18. Wow, 2018 it was bottled, and then they released it the first year of the Golden Knights. So, go ahead and crack this open nice and easy. I hate to break the cork. All right, so we have that, and let's pour ourselves a wonderful amount and enjoy celebration, and just see how this really plays out. That's all we really need right there. And we'll leave this bottle out for everyone to see. So, again, we have it with the Golden Knights. We have it here. And then again here. And then in the back, a little information. But we're just going to leave it right here just so you can see the bottle itself. So let's go ahead and just dive right on into it. Okay. Oak. A little bit of smoke. Definitely whiskey. And it definitely smells like Jack Daniels. That trademark fragrance. If you're a person who drinks Jack Daniels on a regular, you know that smell. Extremely identifiable. With very sweet oak on that. So, cheers. Very smooth, aged very well. Spicy. I'm getting some black pepper. But as far as like the woodsy aspect, really good oak notes. It's got that nice numbing effect. As you notice, I didn't make a face. That's what determines, in my book, a very smooth spirit. when you don't make a reaction. It goes down smooth, it doesn't bother you, and it is just all around pleasant. Again, I just don't drink Jack Daniels. I do like other whiskeys and scotches and bourbons. And unfortunately for me, Jack Daniels isn't on my radar all the time. But I wanted to give them their respect in this particular bottle because it is almost high class, top echelon. This particular whiskey should only be broken out in a celebratory situation, and if that, no more than 2.5, maybe 3 ounces of sipping goodness. This is not for shooting. You don't want to do that. Not when it's a very select single barrel situation where the notes are oak and it's not just, booze. It has complexity. I also want to throw in there is a nice sweetness to it, almost like a brown sugar back finish. So there's complexity in this whiskey. So we have wood, sweetness, savory, and then all around just nice classic whiskey flavor. Also, I just like it. The bottle's clean. I like all the graphics on it. I'm very happy that I was able to even get this. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. And if you ever get a chance, get yourself some Jack Daniels, but only spend the money if it's their single selection. Don't mess with any of the stuff that you normally see. Always go for their high quality stuff because that's where you're going to get your money's worth. Cheers.